Welcome to our lesson on common Bangla phrases for greetings and introductions. Knowing the right phrases to use when meeting someone new is an important part of communicating in Bangla. Just like in English, hello or hi are the commonly used greetings in Bangla. Assalamu Alaikum is the most common form of greetings among Muslims. Also, Namaskar is a popular form of greeting among Hindus. Depending upon the time of conversation, you may also start by greeting with Shubho Shokal, Shubho Shokal, or Shuprabhat, Shuprabhat. Both of these expressions means good morning. Shubho Oporanno, Shubho Oporanno, meaning good afternoon. Shubho Shondha, Shubho Shondha, Shubho Shondha, meaning good evening. Lastly, Shubho Ratri, Shubho Ratri, meaning good night. It's polite to introduce yourself when you are meeting someone for the first time. To introduce yourself, you may say, Ami Abdullah, Apni, meaning I am Abdullah, and you are? Alternatively, you can say, Amar naam Abdullah, Apnar naam, Amar naam Abdullah, Apnar naam, meaning my name is Abdullah. What's your name? After exchanging names, you may ask, Kemon achen? Kemon achen, meaning how are you? If the other person asks you this question first, you may respond to the question by saying, Ami bhalo achi. Apni kemon achen? Ami bhalo achi. Apni kemon achen? Meaning, I'm good. How about you? When you are being introduced to someone, you can respond by saying, আপনার সাথে দেখা করে ভালো লাগলো. আপনার সাথে দেখা করে ভালো লাগলো, meaning nice to meet you. When saying goodbye, you may say দেখা হবে. দেখা হবে means see you. Alternatively, you can say Allah Hafez or Khuda Hafez. Both of these expressions mean may God be your guardian. Now that you know these common Bangla phrases for greetings and introductions, you will be able to start conversations with confidence. Remember to practice using these phrases in real-life situations, and you will soon be able to communicate effectively with native Bangla speakers. Thank you for watching.